YouTube? It is Friday, July 21st. We're looking at the news. We've got Canadian core retail and retail sales dropping in 6 minutes. And if we look at since the stream yesterday, we had same CPI for the yen as well as British pound retail sales. So yeah, let's hop into the charts. Looking across the board today, we have the yen pairs significantly up across the board. UJ, CADJ, EJ, GJ, CJ, AJ, and NZ. With the strongest one being CADCHF, which would make me hazard a guess that it's probably going to be one of the stronger pairs down here as well. US dollar looks a little mixed, somewhat strong relatively across the board, except for against again Swissy, which makes me believe again that Swissy is going to be pretty strong today. Canadian dollar seems to be up across the board again except against the Swissy. Euro is a little mixed. British pound, a little mixed. There we go. Swissy's up across the board. We're just browsing through these Swiss pairs, just seeing if any sort of patterns jump out at us. Alright. Looks like the New Zealand dollars are the Kiwi dollars down across the board, except for the yen. Makes sense because the yen's doing exceptionally weak today. The weakness of the yen is sort of stronger than the weakness of the Kiwi dollar. In terms of, we've got a few trends on the Kiwi dollar. We have GBPNZD setting these higher highs and higher lows. Not much there. We have AUDNZD shedding a shorter time frame sort of channel here. Very, very small channel. Both could be good opportunities. And NZDCAD looks to be some sort of longer time frame, middling length time frame of a downward trend. Similarly to NZDUSD. Okay. I'm not super keen on the Swissy pairs. I'm just not seeing much here. In terms of look at that. Look at that pip jump. Amazing. Only 200 pips in the span of an hour. Right between here to here, you have nearly 200 pips. That's crazy. Quite the move. Anyways, I don't know. The ones I'm looking at today, I would say GBPNZD and AUDNZD. Of the two we were looking at yesterday, I didn't really take much trades on either. We had EURGBP definitely significantly broke through this trend line, ended up reaching this level of structure here where we had this previous support, broke slightly below that and has started to continue up. And it does not help when I just get rid of the trend lines, or sorry, the flag indicators. But yeah, we see an overall seems like pretty bearish sentiment along the AUDNZD for the last week or so. We're in this nice little channel here. We just hit the bottom of the channel and starting to correct up. GBPNZD is starting to come down from this channel here. these are the two we just kind of have on our watch list this morning. Hop over to the hourly, check what these time frames look like. Nice rejection here on AUDCHF at this level. Nice trend line down. And this previous level of structure. Just breezing through, see if we see any really definitive trends. Interesting. GBPNZD seems to be trading in a bit of a zone here. So we got some support here along this level. We got some resistance up here along 2.09, and we seem to be sort of bouncing in this sideways channel. Okay, so not much on the hourlies. I think on the shorter time frame we're expecting him to continue on higher, as well as AUDNZD. Take a quick look at the hourly. I would say similarly, they're both pretty bullish, so there's some good opportunity. Long-term trend agrees with a short-term price action, so possible trades today on SPYs on AUDNZD or GBPNZD. I'd be wary of getting into trades a little bit too late. It is a Friday. I've typically found that volume starts to slow down on Fridays, so you could be stuck in the trade over the weekend. But yeah, that's it for today, just these two. And then yeah, starting, I think next week I'm going to start incorporating a previous reversion to the mean strategy that I had been using. Involves linear regression lines and the SSL channel, which is a sort of make on a 10 moving average. I don't know if it was simple or exponential. Yeah, and it involves the daily, so you literally only have to look at the charts once a day, one time frame swap over. It's kind of nice. But anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're looking forward to a new strategy on the daily, just tune in next week. Cheers.